Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. How was your day? How was your night? I don't know where you guys live, so obviously the time is different for all of us basically. But in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove connected device on your Spotify, on your iPhone specifically, but you are just going to see that it doesn't work as not as well, but it doesn't work like that anymore since the Spotify update. So you used to go to like settings and privacy here and go to apps and devices here, and you can like view the device that's been connected to your Spotify. But now it's actually like just on these songs. So as you can see next to the song title, Girls Just Want to Have Fun, there's like a icon that's like a PC and like a speaker. You're going to select that, and as you can see it's connected to another device, which is my PC, of course. Then I'm going to select the three dots. It used to said like forget this device, sorry, but now it's logged out of this device. So you're just going to select that. For instance, like your Spotify is like somehow connected to somebody else's like device and you just like want to log out, you're just going to select log out of this device. But keep in mind, if you press that, you do have to like log in and stuff like that again on that device. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can basically select another device on your Spotify on your phone. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. A big percentage of you are watching our videos and are not subscribed, so please hit that subscribe button. We really want to reach that 200,000 subscribers mark. I don't think it's going to go like that very soon, but it's going to, I mean, we can like maybe next year. We still have like around 80,000 more to go. It will take a long time, but anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.